If you want to use a memory card on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then in that case, unfortunately, you will not be able to use a SIM tray because there is no microSD card slot available on the SIM tray. You cannot really put the microSD card into the phone like that. Instead, you can use a memory card reader. Now, in my case, I have this one. It is pretty huge, so definitely inconvenient to use on a daily basis. Well, actually, if you think about it, then any size would be inconvenient because the idea is that we insert the microSD card into the memory card reader, and then with the USB-C cable, you should be able to, let me actually try to put it in, there we go, then you should be able, with the USB-C cable, connect it to the phone and use the additional storage. We can just plug it in like this, and then of course we can go to the file manager, to My Files app for example, and you can access the storage that you have on the microSD card. But of course it is inconvenient to use because well, you just have to walk around with the with additional tool that is attached to the phone. So most likely you want to use it only in cases where you actually want to transfer data between the internal storage on the phone and the micro SD card, not all the time. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.